play one of the most popular guitar riffs of all time, Grange by ZZ Top. In this video, I'm going to cover the essential parts for playing Grange. We're going to cover the intro lick, the rhythm over the verse, the rhythm over the solo, and this really cool transition lick. And then in later videos, we'll go on into the solos and such. The first thing about playing the song Grange is the rhythm. The steady beat is going to be a regular down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, with kind of a little shuffle into it. Now this is important because a lot of your notes are going to be played on the upstroke, so you want to get that shuffle right. You have to think the basic beat if you're going to get them even. In the left hand, we're going to start off with your usual blues A power chord. Your first finger just goes across, gets the first 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and you're going to leave out the E string and start on the A. So your basic rhythm is going to be on the A chord while you're playing it down, up, 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 up. With your pinky, you're going to play that riff that you hear. It goes 5th fret on the 4th string. Basically is what you're playing. 4th string, 5th fret, and you've already got your first finger on the 2nd fret for the 3rd string, and the 5th fret for that too. Back and forth on that 3rd string. Kind of tough to play on the neck, but notice you still have the same down, up, down, up, down, up going. On the verse, we're going to keep with the same right hand rhythm, and here on the left hand, right hand if you're a lefty, going to be playing mostly the same thing. So holding the first finger on the 2nd fret, first 4 strings. The difference is, instead of putting in a little pinky action, you're just going to go. So you're going to be playing the A string, the 5th string on the 3rd fret with your middle finger, and then the 5th fret with your pinky. For the rhythm part of the solo, you're going to move up to a C power chord. I'll probably will accidentally play it as a bar chord. It's just habit for me, but yeah, I'm only playing these first 3 notes. The next 2 chords are going to be an E flat to an F. So I'm still keeping it going. Now for the really cool transition part. It starts off with your middle finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and you're going to slide it up to the 5th fret. Ring finger gets the 1st string on the 5th fret as well. You might want to kind of mute these strings that are in between them with your middle finger. And then your first finger moves the 4th string down to the 4th fret, and then down to the 3rd fret. Then you hit the A string twice. And what I'm doing is a simple hammer on. A middle finger goes to the 3rd fret, 5th string. Hammer on with your ring finger and play the A note on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Once again, slow. To do the whole thing slow with my hands in the camera. Okay, they only hit the 1 note, but I like more. It's your song, you play it the way you want. This has been Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this video has been how to play most of Grange. Don't forget to look below for the charts, and check back later for more lessons on how to play the solo.